Hello everyone, and once again welcome to Geography class. In this class we are going to see the topic number 5. In that we are going to talk the asteroid and meteoroid. So let's move. Point number 1, chapter number 1, the earth in the solar system. Topic number 5, asteroid and meteoroids. We will see what is asteroid, we are going to see what are meteoroids. So first I am going to show you the photograph. By the photograph you can understand what are asteroids and meteoroids. Please see. First, figure number 1.5, asteroid. So this is the image of asteroids. You can see this is the image of asteroids. To have a more clear on this, I am going to show two more images to you so you can understand clearly what is asteroids and meteoroids. Say this one. From the space the photograph has been taken. These are asteroids. See, meteoroids. The next, moving toward our concept. Apart from the star, planets and satellites, there are numerous tiny bodies which also move around the sun. These bodies are called asteroids. So the point is speaking over here, we are going to have a discussion on the topic asteroids. So what is asteroid? As I had shown you earlier in the photograph, that particular type of the things that is moving around the sun, these bodies are called as asteroids. Plus, apart from the stars, in the solar system we are having stars, planet, satellite. We have seen stars, sun is a star, we have seen the planets, we have seen all the 8 planets, right? Then we have seen the satellite, we talked about satellite also, moon. Then there are numerous, that means uncountable, tiny bodies, small tiny body, or it can be big also. So tiny bodies which also move around the sun, these bodies are called as asteroids. Tiny bodies, right? They are called as asteroids. Next, we will see they are found between the orbit of Mars and Jupiter. So figure number 1.2 already we had seen. So scientists are of the view that asteroids are the part of the planet which exploded many years back. So scientists are thinking about these asteroids are the part and participant of the planet which were exploded. So now they are not inexistent, but the planet is totally destroyed and they are tiny particles, they are moving. So they are found where? They are found between the orbit between the Mars and Jupiter. Okay? So they are found in Mars and Jupiter. So as it is going to speak about figure number 1.2, so we are seeing here asteroid belts between Mars and Jupiter. Mars is here, Jupiter is here, so asteroid belts. Already this has placed you for the homework purpose, so you are knowing very well what is asteroid belt. Okay? So these tiny particles, right? They are also moving around the sun. I repeat, they are found between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter. Figure number 1.2 just now I had shown from the textbook to you. And scientists are of the view that these asteroids are the part of the planet which exploded many years back. So many years back the planets were exploded and their parts are called as asteroids, and these used to be. Next, the small pieces of rock which move around the sun are called as meteoroids. The small pieces of rocks, now we are talking about the small pieces of rocks that I have shown you in the images and which are moved around the sun are called as meteoroids. So asteroid and meteoroids, so meteoroids are the pieces of rocks. Sometimes these meteoroids come near the earth and tend to drop upon it. So sometimes these particles used to come near to the earth. For having a more understanding, I will show you the image once again. See, the earth and this type of meteorites are coming near to the earth, right? Like that. See, rock, and they are moving around the sun, meteorites. Next, the small pieces of the rocks which move around the sun are called as meteoroids. So this meteoroid definition is clear to you all. Then sometimes these meteoroids come near earth and tend to drop upon it. During this process, due to the friction with the air, they get heated up and burn. As I have shown you that it is burning and coming near to the earth. Okay? It causes a flash of light. Sometimes a meteor without being completely burned fall on the earth and create a halo. Then they are dashing to the earth, so they are making a halo mark over there. So that halo mark is going to be on the earth. See, when they are coming due to the friction and force, they are going to have one. And if they are dashing to earth, so they are making a hollow shape over here. Okay? So next, meteoroids is clear to you. What is meteoroid? The small pieces of rocks which move around the sun are called as meteoroids. Okay? Next, do you see a whitish border band like a white glowing path across the sky on a clear starry night? It is a cluster of millions of stars. It is a cluster of millions of stars. Next, we are going to see the upcoming slide. In that, do you see a whitish broad band like a white glowing path across the sky on the clear starry night? It is a cluster of millions of the stars. This band is the Milky Way galaxy. So we are going to see the figure number 1.6. So this is the figure number 1.6, Milky Way, right? To have a more clear on that, I have placed two more photographs for you, so you can observe the Milky Way. See, the Milky Way. All the solar system, all the planets, stars are here. Milky Way. Next, another photograph. See. The next, our solar system is a part of this galaxy. In ancient India, it was imagined to be a river of light flowing in the sky. Thus, it was named Akash Ganga. So, why it was named as Akash Ganga? Because they used to imagine to river of a light flowing in the sky, and that was named as Akash Ganga. The next, a galaxy is a huge system of billions of stars and clouds of dust and gases. There are millions of such galaxies that makes the universe. That are millions of such galaxies which are making universe. That means, what is a galaxy? So galaxy is a huge system of millions of stars plus a galaxy including cloud and the dust and the gases, and these are all millions of such galaxies makes the universe. Okay, so here we are going to see our solar system. In that, it's a part of the galaxy. So our solar system is also a part of the galaxy, and just we are having one galaxy, there are millions of galaxies that if we are joining together, so they are forming universe. Next, what is Akash Ganga? So light flowing in the sky, right? In ancient India, it was imagined to be the river of light flowing in the sky, which was named as Akash Ganga. Okay. The next, what is galaxy? Galaxy is a huge system of the millions of stars. But these huge millions of such galaxies are forming together the universe. Millions of such galaxies that makes the universe. The next, it is difficult to imagine how big the universe is. Scientists are still trying to find out more and more about it. So scientists are keep on studying to search about more and more information related to universe. And we are not certain about its size, but we know that all of us, you and I, belong to this universe. You and I. Okay? That means you and I belong to the same universe. So here we have ended our chapter. Our chapter is ended over here. We have finished the chapter. Now we are going to see the recapitulation, the overview of this chapter. Overview. Please copy down overview. The asteroid. These are tiny bodies that move around the sun. First point, these are tiny bodies that move around the sun. Already we have seen this point. Second point, it is believed that these are the part of the planets that exploded many years back. Then, after this 2 point, please copy down this 2 point in your notebook. Next, meteoroids. These are small pieces of rocks which move around the sun. Small pieces of rock to differentiate between asteroids and meteoroids. Small pieces of rock, and they are very, very tiny particles which are just moving around or moving in the solar system like other planets and sun. So these are small pieces of rocks which move around the sun. When these meteors come closer to the earth and they burn due to the friction with the air, as I had shown you the photograph, when burning meteoroids were coming here to earth. Sometimes meteors does not complete the burn and burn out, falls on the earth, creating a hollow. Hollow mark is going to be there, and it's going to dash into the earth. It's making a hollow marks. Then next, today your homework part. This overview you have to write about asteroids. Please see it once more. Asteroids. Then next, meteoroids. You have to copy down one point. You can frame this point into your own language also. If you are not able to do that, simply copy it and make a note in your notebook. Then next, today's homework. Today's homework is that you have to write one question. Differentiate between asteroids and meteoroids. Today we have seen in this class asteroids and meteoroids. Next, we are going to have a recapitulation quickly of the chapter. Before stating, thank you to you all. The chapter number 1, the Earth in the solar system, we had started. First, we had seen about the stars and planet and differentiation of that. What is the meaning of star? What is the meaning of planet? Okay. After that, we started the point, the solar system. In the solar system, we had seen the 8 planets. In that, we had seen the beautiful sentence which makes you to recognize, my very efficient mother just served us nut. That sentence, by that we can quickly recognize the name of the 8 planets. After that, we had seen Earth. Then we had seen Moon. After that, we had seen asteroids and meteoroids. Plus, in addition, I had given to you, draw and label the diagram of the solar system. Okay? And finally, our chapter is ended over here. in the upcoming presentation, we are going to have the discussion on the exercise. So my request is to you, read the chapter once again. After reading, if you are having any doubt and difficulty, you please let me know, and we are going to say in the upcoming presentation. Plus the note making. Every video I am placing the overview for you. Just in the previous slide the overview was there. That overview you have to write it down. So there will be a continuity in the chapter. That are the notes of the chapter number 1. So in my every video, last slides I am placing only for overview. Whatever I am speaking, discussing it with the help of this presentation and video with you, as write a note. Point number 1, the topic was there, it's note. Point number 2, it's note. So the continuity will be flow and you can easily understand. Instead of reading chapter again and again for preparation of your examination, these notes are going to be very helpful for you. So in the upcoming presentation, be ready to discuss the question answers, and we are going to see the question and answer. And if you are facing any problem, let me know that. Be safe and be secure at your home. Till then, be happy. Jai Hind.